For today, the question is, which revision videos are better? If you ask me personally, for me, I had done both PrepLadder as well as Marrows, like, not even the entire thing, but in bits and bits, okay? For me, I felt right now the Marrow 6.5, the new one, is very good. Means like I was able to learn many things, to be honest. Like, even though it did not feel like a revision video, it felt like even I was learning at the same time. It was not just mugging up data. So I would really recommend that. If you have PrepLadder, also very good and good to go. But according to me, Marrow 6.5 was good. Now, if you have any platform and you have already started, just go with it, and I'll tell you why. Look, if you see the toppers interview and something like this, you will notice one thing. One topper comes in all the platforms, okay? Even if you notice my name, I have in my interviews are there in multiple platforms, I guess in 5, okay? And I'll tell you the reason why. The reason is because most of them, they don't use, example, if you're studying medicine, I am not doing medicine from Marrow, PrepLadder, Cerebellum all together. No, I am just choosing medicine from a specific topic. For example, I loved medicine from Dr. Deepak Marwa, so I studied that. Okay, I loved radio from Dr. Nikita Nanwani, so I studied that. On the other hand, I loved surgery from Rohan sir, so then that's why I studied that. So you notice one thing, there are multiple platforms coming into it. So that is why many people, if you notice, one same topper will be there in many interviews, right? What you have to do is, you have to see which teaching style you like. For example, if you like a teaching style of maybe a Dr. Sakshi ma'am, so then you will choose OB-GYN from Marrow, right? If you like the teaching style of medicine from Dr. Deepak Marwa, you will choose it from Prep. If you like Dr. Zainab Vora, you will go to Cerebellum, right? So that is your choice, okay? If you have some financial constraints, you can still pick one, okay, and go on with that, because obviously the doctors who are over there, they are already a master of their class and their teaching. The only thing which differs is going to be a teaching style. All right, the answers are again going to be same like last, as I asked, if there will be Erb's palsy ka defect will be same in Marrow, Cerebellum, PrepLadder or anything, okay? So choose a platform based not on what people say, based on what are your comforts. If you like the teaching style of that specific doctor, pick that style, okay?